6.0 in VMware Workstation 9.0. How to install Xenserver in client machine. Creating the SR using Xenserver Management Console. Before going to practical part, we should require the softwares VMware Workstation 9.0, Xenserver 6.0, Xenserver. Start the VMware Workstation. By clicking this, it will appears the window like that. Here we go through file menu, click new virtual machine. Here it contains typical, custom. I am using the typical. Here we can install Xenserver by using installation CD or installation image. I am using the ISO image of Xenserver 6.0. Browse the path. Next. Here guest operating system consists of a Linux kernel because of we using Linux. Other Linux kernel 2.6 X kernel 64-bit. Next. Virtual machine name Xenserver 6.0. Here where you store the guest operating system. Store virtual disk as a single file. Here we can give minimum 10 GB. I am giving the 20 GB of space, hard disk space. Next, customize hardware, and we can go through memory and we can increase the memory size up to 2 GB. I am using 2 GB of memory. Here the Xenserver requirements: hard disk 20 GB, memory 2048 MB means 2 MB. Finish. Click finish. Before starting installation, we should power on this virtual machine. The window appears like this. Press enter. Here we select the US. Okay. Accept EULA license. Okay. Enable. Okay. Local media. No, I am not installing any supplementary parts. No. Skip verification. Password. Automatic configuration or static. We can give both dynamic or static. By default, I am taking the dynamic IP address. Here the host name of Xenserver operating system. Host name. Here America. Cuba. Manual time entry. Install Xenserver. The Xenserver 6.2 installation was completed. Here it is the IP address. To the IP address we can connect from client systems. Now we can see how to install Zen client. Note this IP address: 192.168.44.1. 192.168.44.129. Here the Citrix Xenserver 6.0.0 Zen Center image will be here. Click here the installer. Next, just me install. Citrix. Here the Citrix Zen Center. Open it. We should add to server. Enter the server IP address 192.44.29. Password yard. Zen server. Here the Zen server center console. Here we can manage the Zen server screen. Press enter. Access console. Quit. Now I am showing how to create storage repository using Xenserver. Open the Xenserver, new storage, click Windows file sharing. Next, give the name from ISO library. So lib. Next, here we should give the server name or IP address and share name. First of all, we should create the share folder. Open the my computer, go to C drive, new folder, ISO lib, right click on it, share specific people, everyone, share. Here the share name and IP address. Host name, share name. Here we should enter the system username and password. Here we should create the ISO lib. Here we can place the ISO images. That's it guys, we also completed our practical part of Xenserver installation, creating SR